Okay, today is Friday, August 23rd, new day. So, husband's not going to work. We are going to Long Island today. And it rained last night, so we were planning on going to the beach and stuff. There's a possibility we may not go in the water, but we'll bring our stuff. We just want to hang out with the kids. We love going up there for the day, so we're gonna go and later. Everybody's sleeping. I'm like the rooster in the house. I get up really early. So I was laying in bed just going through my phone. But it's 6 o'clock now, so I'm gonna start brushing my teeth before the bathroom get crowded. We only have one bathroom, so let me get myself ready. So this little guy is watching himself screaming. What were you saying there, Michael?
I was saying, give me my candy. Give me my candy.
Watch the tablet, Michael.
Michael, please.
Sit down.
He's all exhausted.
Why was Michael screaming?
I don't know. We do speak baby language.
I thought you say I want candy. I want my candy.
Getting there. It's time to clear it. A lot of paper thrown away.
What's this?
Now I need to go through that. We have a lot of folders that you guys could use for scrap. I do not want you guys to go and get printing papers, okay? We have printing papers. Do not go and grab them to do your nonsense.
Okay.
So your last year paper, black and white, whatever, your composition notebook, you could use it to, like when, for scrap, pretty much. Alright, so we did not go. It's raining.
Because I'm the one who saved us all from getting into the wet rain.
So we might go tomorrow. It's 9 a.m. But instead, we've been somewhat cleaning. Papers needs to be torn, shredded, clean, trash. Already done. Some of the stuff we were taking with us to go to Long Island, well, already I took them downstairs earlier, and we were gonna take this, some sodas and waters and stuff like that. So this thing here, we're probably gonna go tomorrow. There's no rush. And this is the trash, garbage. And there's a sandwich I left downstairs. I'm gonna go get it because I'm gonna eat it. I don't want it to stay in the car. So yeah, let me go get that. August 23rd, 8:30 p.m. Just brush my teeth and just gonna call it a day before I start craving stuff. So 136.2 plus what? 1.6. That's a little bit too much.